It is day 3 of the weekly vlog. It is my day off, well the first of 2 actually, if you would believe that. And we are headed to Animal Kingdom with Kira just now going to the bus stop, and we're meeting up with Lois. Got some fast passes, so it should be good. And I'm going to be having good food as well today. We'll come to that later, but I'm very excited for what's to come. So yeah, I finished training last night, had my last shift, which was learning about stocking, so it was alright. It was quite good, but 11:30 finish. I'm gonna have to get used to that. So yeah, that's the update. I'm just eating. Yeah, Kira's having breakfast on the go. There she is. The sign of what's to come, more food. And yeah, bus time, Transtar, we love it.
Now I'm the king of the swingers, oh, the jungle VIP. I've reached the top and had to stop, and that's what's bothering me. I wanna be a man cub, and stroll right into town, and be just like the other men. I'm tired of walking around, oh.
We just met Russell and Doug and they were so cute. Hopefully we've got some good photos, but it was just so sweet. Like they're earning their final patches, and my heart is warmed by that, and my body is warmed by waiting. But we are off to Africa for the Kilimanjaro Safari, so hopefully we see some good animals.
I wanna be like you. I wanna walk like you, talk like you.
Yours truly.
She doesn't like
So once we do enter the reserve range, refrain from any whistling, snapping, clapping, kissing noises.
Oh, I wanna be like you.
So, if anyone is wondering where the Your Most Beautiful wall is, it's in Harambe Marketplace. So this is the wall. It's as if you're going backstage. Lois is about to take a moment. And it is to the side of where you get the sausages. So you come in over there, marketplace, all the options, and you come round the side. And they're like completely fine with you going there, so take your shot. We have come to Satuli Canteen in Pandora because they have the best quick service food, and vegetable curry pods over here with the salad and the vegetable chips. Lois has gone for the same. Boop. And Kira has, I don't know what it is. It's a bowl with chicken and potatoes, I think. Yeah, and some dressing. Yeah. And we're all very excited to eat.
Now don't try to kid me, man cub. I made a deal with you. What I desire is man's red fire to make my dream come true. Now give me the secret, man cub. Come on, clue me what to do. Give me the power of man's red flower so I can be like you. Oh.
So after a pretty intense rainstorm, I finally got on River Journey. I had a fast passport. It was somehow closed, like every ride except Flight of Passage, and It's Tough to Be a Bug was closed in the entire park. So that was madness for an hour and a half. I've just ridden it, and Kira and Lois are on It's Tough to Be a Bug, and I'm going to meet them at the exit, and then we're on to the next part of our adventure today. So very excited. Honestly, the best part of River Journey though is that animatronic at the end. It's so real, and it's worth going on just for that. Kitchen sink is being prepared right now. How are we feeling, guys?
So excited.
Yeah?
Excited.
Do we think we're gonna finish it?
Yes, of course we're gonna finish it.
We will try. I really don't. It's right there. I really don't know.
Okay.
That is giant. Oh my god, it's so good. Let's give them a round of applause. Let me tell you right now, take a picture for you. Thank you. We are, I don't even know, we're not halfway. Everyone's had like, what, 3-4 bowls? And it's just a mess of whipped cream, like, I'm already feeling it. Not quite as Insta-worthy anymore. It's 20 minutes later and it's an actual mess in there. And we're still going. But I don't know how much longer. Oh my god guys, we did it! Yay! Except we kinda didn't. One sec. There it is! Oh, there it is. But like, we gave it a good try. And that was like a ludicrous amount of ice cream. And none of us, we all said we feel super full, but none of us feel like we're gonna throw up. So we probably could have pushed further. We could, but it's not like I'm gonna win anything if we do. So it was a fun experience. Never again. But you should do it if you do. Yeah. You need to go lie down. So it's raining still, and it has been for hours. So we figured, rather than go home, let's go spend more money. So we're gonna get an Uber to Class Connection and see what we can find. So Class Connection was very successful. We will do a haul later, but Lois, we're not too happy.
We're not that happy, no.
The bus, we rushed through our transaction. The bus was supposed to come at 6:56. It's now what?
7:17.
7:17 and it's supposed to come in 15 minutes.
And it's still raining.
Yep, it's been raining.
It's all dark and we just want to go home now.
So the whole point of this vlog was the realities of DCP life, and this is it. Hi!
Right.
I'll be home eventually. Hello everyone. So I'm finally back in my apartment about an hour, maybe just over an hour after we finished at Class Connection, and I'm pretty much just gonna show you what I got and then I'm gonna lie on the sofa and do nothing because my stomach feels very weird after the kitchen sink. But anyway, here is what I got. So it's really not that much, Mum, if you're watching, don't be worried. So the first thing is basically how Class Connection works is it has 2 rooms. There's the main Class Connection I think anyone can go to, which is just like discounted merchandise, seasonal products, stuff like from the marathons and Halloween parties and stuff. And then there's a room in the back for class members only called Mickey's Treasures, which is damaged goods, things that are like broken, and they are all 75% off. So that's where, if you can find it, the really good stuff is going to be. I got one thing from there. So this shirt was originally $24.99 and I got it for $6.75 I think. I'd never even seen this shirt before and I have no idea what's wrong with it. So the front and the back. So a 2018, got Chip and Dale, and it's so cute. It's a really nice kind of like tight fit, which will be really good with some shorts. So that is what I got, because that way I have got my 2018 Disney World shirt sorted, because I kind of want one from the year, because obviously it's the year I did the program, but they can be super expensive. So that was that. And then everything else was from the regular Class Connection. I don't even know if you can hear me because I'm on the balcony of my apartment and it's really loud. So hopefully it works. So I got 2 pins from Class Connection. One was this one, which says Let It Glow, which is from Olaf's Frozen Adventure, and that was $5.99. And the other one, which I thought was just so cool, is a Shanghai Disney opening pin with Tinkerbell, and that one was $2.99. And we also get our regular class member 10 or 20% off in the Class Connection room, so obviously that was whatever off those ones. And lastly, I got this photo album, which was originally $19.95 and they were selling it for $5.99. And this holds 200 photos and it's such a cool print, and I have no idea why this was even there because they could so still sell this. But yeah, very happy with that. Oh, and these pins originally, I don't know, they were probably like $15, I don't know. But yeah, for everything I spent $20. So I got a photo frame, 2 pins and a t-shirt for $20 in Disney. So you could say it was definitely worth the trip. I know I'll be going back because I think there's a day when they put all the new product in. Also in the morning, all the new stuff comes from Mickey's Treasures, and obviously we went at like 5:36, so all the good stuff probably are gone. But it was good to go just for starters when I don't really have much money in my account anyway. And yeah, got a few good things. So I'm now gonna flop on the sofa and watch some TV on my laptop and chill because I'm exhausted. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this vlog and I will see you in the next one tomorrow. And I have another day off, 2 in a row, which is mad. I'm excited.